Would you like to discover how AI-powered agents are transforming delivery in Dynamics 365 customer service and contact center? My name's Edgar Wilson, Principal Program Manager on the Dynamics 365 customer service team.
And I'm Marcus Schmidt, Principal Program Manager for Dynamics 365, and we'd like to invite you to the next Understanding Microsoft Agent session, which takes place on Wednesday, the 22nd of April at 10 a.m. Pacific time.
On this call, we'll be taking a deep dive into how you can automate routine interactions to help empower human agents with real-time insights.
We'll also be covering how to use agentic AI to improve customer experience, increase operational efficiency, and unlock new value across the service lifecycle.
Plus, we'll be taking a sneak peek at what's coming in the next evolution of agentic contact centers. This is going to be a really fun session.
We look forward to seeing you there.